The new year 2021 is here with new hopes and new dreams. And I believe all of you are ready to be unstoppable, ready to be full of energy so that you can go forward and create manifestations and success. So today I am going to give you some process, some step-by-step process and approach that once you start applying, you can set yourself forward, being unstoppable, being full of energy, and go forward and create some magic. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm so happy and excited to be back with all of you. Now, first of all, again, wishing each one of you a very happy new year, and I'm immensely happy and grateful to all of you for your love and support. Now, as you must be watching that from the beginning of this year, every day I'm sharing my gratitude video with all of you, and if you are loving those short video gratitude videos, then let me know in the comment. And if you want me to keep sharing my gratitude feelings every single day through videos, then also let me know in the comment. Now coming to today, as we are in the beginning of this new year, we have a new opportunity. We have so much of hopes and dreams and power and belief to create this year a truly transformational year. Now 2020 was a challenging year for most of you. Many of you may have gone through difficulties, challenges. Some of you may have lost someone very close. Some of you may have lost or challenges in your jobs or in terms of financial situation or businesses or many things. At the same time, there are so many people in my awesome tribe who have even grown during this challenging time of 2020. There are so many people in our tribe who have manifested their dream job. There are people who have grown their income. There are people who have started new businesses. There are people who have got married, people who have manifested new relationship, people who have got better in terms of health and immunity. So one thing is clear, that no matter what is happening in the world, it has an influence on you. But if your energy stay higher and stronger, and if you constantly keep working on yourself, you can always become bigger than what is happening outside, and you can be immune to what is going outside, and you can be stronger, and even in the most difficult time, you can still not just survive, but you will thrive. So I am sure so many of you are, each one of you is ready to thrive rather than just survive. And if you had some good manifestations and experience during 2020 last year, let me know in the comment. Now that's what I want all of you to thrive in 2021, and that's why I'm going to give you some ideas, some ways to focus on it. The first one I want all of you to be aware of is your attention. Yes, during this year, this new year, the number one thing I want to be aware of is your attention. Remember, wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows. So every day you should ask yourself, where my attention is going? Where am I focusing my attention? And if it is more on positive side, if it is more on success, if it is more on growth, if it is more on productivity, if it is more on good things, then definitely you will thrive, definitely you will get better. So the first step is attention. Now the second one is energy. Yes, like I said again, the core principle of the law of attraction, wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what you manifest. So once you are aware about the attention, the next thing you have to be aware about is your energy. And energy is, of course, your attention. Wherever your attention is going, your energy is flowing. Along with that, you have to be aware about what is the energy flowing in your mind, heart and soul. Means, are you feeling tired or stressful? Or are you feeling peaceful and joyful? Are you feeling excited or are you feeling fearful? You have to start being aware about the energy that is flowing within you. Are you excited about your manifestations and growth, or are you scared about your manifestation whenever you think about it? Start being aware of the energy. And if your energy in the lower mode, downward mode, then it can be two reasons. One is your attention is on the wrong thing, wrong people, wrong places. That's why your energy is low. or you have gained too much of negative energy because of experiences, because of negative things or past. So it's time for you to let go of those negative energies and flip your negative energies from stress, fear, anxiety, sadness into the positive side, into the happy side, into the joyful side. So that's the second thing you have to be aware of and take care of is your energy. Remember, energy is always changing, it's flowing like water, but you have to always be aware where your energy is flowing and what shape is it taking, and you can always change the shape of the energy. So that's the second thing you have to be aware about. Third thing that you have to do is reflect on the last year 2020. Yes, think about last year and ask yourself, what were the things that went great or positive or awesome, and what were the things that did not work the way you desire, or maybe work completely in opposite direction, or you had failures or challenges or negativity. And then ask yourself why something works so beautifully. What were your belief system, what you were thinking about those things, what was your action, and then on the negative side, what you were doing wrong. Were you having a lot of negative beliefs? Were you doing things desperately, or were you not doing at all anything? So ask yourself, reflect upon 2020, and even you can take your journal and note it down so that it will help you focus on the first two things: understanding your attention and taking care of your energy. Now the fourth one is focus. Set some goals, desires and dreams for this year and focus on them. And if you understand your attention, energy and reflection clearly, then your focus will be in the right goal. Your focus will be on the right dreams, desires and things that you want to create. Create some goals, desires and dreams that should pull you towards them, that should excite you every single day. You should feel happy and joyful about it. So that's the fourth thing. Set some goals and focus on them. Ask yourself, what do I want to focus this year? And then the fifth thing, many a times people, when they set their goals, desires and dreams, or start focusing on some manifestation, the first question they come up with is how? Your work is not how. Your work is why? Yes. Start asking yourself, why do I want to manifest this? Why do I want to achieve this goal? Why do I want to do this thing? And when you ask yourself, it will be a lot easier for you to make the choices better. That are you really focusing on the right manifestation and right goals, or are you just running behind the wrong thing, wrong people, wrong manifestations? So ask yourself the why. And when your why become bigger, your how becomes smaller. That's the important thing. You can note it down again. When your why become bigger, your how becomes smaller. So when you set the goals and desires and dreams, that's when you have to ask the why. Why do I want to have this job? Why do I want to have this relationship? Why do I want to lose weight? Why do I want to be better? Why do I want to develop something? The why will give you so much of power that the how cannot stop you. Now the sixth one, and the most important among all, is commitment. Yes, commitment. Make commitment of time, money and energy that you are going to commit to achieve this manifestation, to achieve these goals, to achieve these desires that you have. This is the most important part, and this is the key part of the energy. There is always an exchange of energy in the universe. Remember the law of physics. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only transforms from one form to another form. So when you want to manifest something, when you want to create something, when you want to achieve something in your life, you have to commit some form of energy. And the best form of energy are your time, money and effort. So whenever you want to achieve something, manifest something, create something, whether it's getting a job, whether it's building a business, whether it's having a relationship, whether it's losing weight or getting fit or getting stronger or getting better, you have to commit time, money and energy, because only when you invest the time, money and energy, you get better. Maybe it's doing a certification course, maybe it's joining a program and learning more about the manifestation and processes, maybe it is joining a gym or going to yoga class or learning or doing some online program, doing some online courses, buying a book, reading a book. So you have to invest and create a balance of these three things, and depending upon the manifestation you have to invest these three things, so that then the manifestations start happening in your life. So this is the most important part, commitment of the energy to your manifestation. This is the most important thing. And then the seventh thing is have faith. Yes, have faith and trust the universe. Remember, 2020 was a challenging year. 2020 was full of challenges and full of adversities, and so many things has happened around the globe, not just in one country or one cities, all over the globe. There are so many things were going on because of the pandemic. But remember, today if you are healthy, today if you are fit, today you have a house, today you have food to eat, then you have been taken care of, then you are blessed. So have faith in the universe, have faith in the God, have faith in the supreme being that you believed in. That higher power, that universe is taking care of you. So that's why you have to go forward, set those goals, desires and dreams. Take care of your attention, your commitment, your energy, your actions, and focus on them. And most importantly, make clear commitment of how much time, money, energy you want to invest on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, so that you can get better and achieve those dreams. And if you follow these 7 things, I can guarantee you, you will become unstoppable during this year. And during this year, no matter what is going to happen around the globe, you will thrive and you will move forward and you will create more success, happiness and abundance in your life. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Let me know right now in the comment if you are ready to thrive in 2021. And if this video has inspired you, hit the like button. And if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and be a part of our awesome tribe, and share this video with someone you love or someone you care for who need to thrive in 2021. Now, I want all of you to know that we have recently completed our powerful 5-day Zoom live workshop, New Year, New You. People from all over the globe have been a part of this program. They were attending this program. More than 100 of people were part of this program. And we had 5 days of amazing transformation. Now, so many of you could not able to join the program. So you are asking like, AJ, I missed the batch. Are you going to do it again? And that's why we are doing a new batch on 10th January 2021, this coming Sunday. So I want all of you to be a part of this program. If you are interested to set big dreams, set big goals, learn some powerful tools, techniques and processes, set your desires and dreams correctly and raise your vibration to go forward and make this year a powerful year, a successful year, a magical year. So if you are excited, you can check the link in the description and you can sign up for this program. There are a lot of bonuses, lot of tools, techniques and templates are there. So join me in this 5 days program, or you can go to our academy website awesomeaj.academy and you can check all the details. So stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.